I almost booked a flight to Africa yesterday. Seriously. So yes, I almost booked a flight to Africa yesterday, but here's the deal. See, the plan was, my Earth Day is 8 December. My special age Earth Day is 8 December, right? So the plan for me that I had set, I was going to go to the motherland, or back to the motherland. Now, I've already lived in South Africa. I've lived in East Africa, Rwanda. And so West Africa would be it for me, my next move to the motherland, right? So when I seen the, oh, here come the hill. Watch this. Isn't she lovely? It's the hill I used to walk up. Make sure ain't nothing coming towards me. See how you can't see over the hill? Whoa. See? You can't see over the hill. Wow. That made my heart jump because nothing's normally coming. I just toots my horn to make sure. Okay. Wow. So, wait a minute, what was I saying? Almost booked my flight yesterday. So when I seen the Ghanaians coming to Barbados, listen, y'all, first of all, Barbados, you talking our next door neighbors. We coming to you from Grenada. This is my 10th year here. I'm a dual citizen. This is my home, my other home. You understand? Yes, born and raised in America, but this is my other home. So, wait a minute, the post. Wait a minute, sister, I'm backing up. Well, what happened was, where you at, sister? Good morning first. So, I went down there. Yes, I did. So I'm happy to know where the post office is, whether it's temporary or not. And they said it's really not about the federal shutdown. It's about the tariffs being too high. Because when we ship out, we would have to charge more shipping. I can't have my people paying more shipping than what they order. That don't make sense. So we're waiting for Trump to do something that makes sense. So I'm making a video now with my people. So get with y'all's president, y'all. So Miss Postmaster, you have a beautiful day today. Okay, darling. I'm sorry, y'all. That's my postmaster. She delivers. Well, not really mail, but she delivers. Let's just say that. She delivers. That's my girl. Listen, when them Ghanaians landed, straight flights. So now that means we have straight flights. Straight flights to the Caribbean. Barbados next door. I can't wait. Now, oh, I was telling you about my plan anyway, because my special Earth Day is 8 December, and I was going to go back to the motherland, and for me it would be West Africa, because I've lived, I was telling you already, South and East. North can be last for me, but West Africa, that whole Mali, Dakar, Ghana, you know, that could be for me. But it was based on some other things. I thought I would have some finances that Antigua and Barbuda owes me, but that's another video. I love you, Antigua and Barbuda. And so that money has not come. But I literally, anyway, we ain't gonna go there. That's another video too. So yes. And then after that, I said, well, if that don't happen, I'll go to Jamaica for 2 weeks. But we all know Jamaica is having a really rough time right now. Jamaica's having a really, really rough time right now. My heart goes out. I want to hold space. I want to take a few moments. Let's do a moment of silence. If you would please join me for Jamaica. Yes. So thank you, thank you, thank you, Jamaica. You are truly in my heart and our hearts here in Grenada. I'm going to speak for our. I believe I can speak for all of we. And our hearts. Our hearts go out to you. I was just watching a friend of mine, his YouTube channel the other day. And while the floods was coming up really high up in Kingston. Yes, we will hold space for you. Every meditation, every prayer, you will be included in it. So no, I won't be going to Jamaica. And then I said, if all else fails, then we are a tri-island, and I will spend some time on our other islands. You know, we're a tri-island. We're Grenada, we're Carriacou, and we're Petite Martinique. And I've been to Carriacou for one Earth Day, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. But I'm not sure. So I don't know exactly what I'll be doing. But when I saw the landing of the Ghanaians, big ups to Ghana, I'm telling you, this is the one thing that they don't want to see happen with us. We talking unifying, we talking unity. So imagine if we all came back together, and that's a way to unify. And that's what I love about our Prime Minister, Decon Mitchell. He's about trying to bring us together. Look at this. What the hell? Man. I'm sorry, y'all. It was like two really, really big trucks. Huge. Look like they too big to be on island. I don't know if you can see them in the back of the rear view. Wow. You had to be still. I don't know how they coming up this road. I thought this road said not over 5 tons. Them trucks were surely 5 tons each. But anyway, I don't even know how to get something that huge on island. I know they gotta break that thing down. Okay. So, the unifying, the unification. It's the one thing. Imagine if we came together like that, where we had straight flights. Let me tell you something while I'm going here. Because Grenada got this beautiful little lovely passport, right? It's the reason why I ain't rushing to get it. I mean, I got my citizenship papers, and I just drag them everywhere I go, which is not a good thing. You want to always leave your documents like that in a safe place. However, they got this beautiful little passport that goes to all of these countries, accessible to all of these countries, and guess what? None of those flights leave from Grenada. So what that mean? You're gonna have to get a visa anyway. It's like a trickery. It's like a trickery, buffoonery, like bamboozled, like playing us like we stupid. You're gonna give us a passport to go to all these African countries on the continent, but none of the flights leave from here. That means wherever you go, you gotta get a visa, which is ludicrous. That is ludicrous. It's embarrassing, and I don't believe that they treat us like that over here. I'm saying us because I'm including me. I'm a citizen. However, I do have access to that American passport, what kind of brings me out of the loop. It puts me in another category, and everybody don't have access to an American passport. So all I gotta do is fly to Miami, fly to Puerto Rico, and keep going. Fly to the UK and keep going. And so I don't take that lightly. But what I am saying is, if we were to ever come together and have straight flights back home to where we belong, where they stole us from, boy, that would be something, because that would be an opportunity for us to unify. And they don't want that. They don't want that. Hear what I'm saying. You figure out who they is. They don't want that. They can't have that because it's power in numbers. And if we ever came back together, how come they the only ones that understand what would happen if we ever joined together? It's just like black love. That's a whole nother subject, but it falls under the same category. Black love is kind of dwindled away, like it almost don't exist anymore. It almost don't exist anymore. And black love should be the most powerful thing on this earth. You know, I got in tune with so much going through my last divorce. Like, it ended so ugly. It ended so ugly. So ugly. Like, I don't ever want to experience anything like that ever again. I personally don't ever want to talk to another man like that again. I don't care what he's saying or doing to me. Well, I'm telling you, I would remove myself first, because people deserve more than that. I deserve more than that. You deserve more than that. I'm still on unity. Stay with me. Unification, period. So if you can rip black love apart while you've ripped us apart from our whole continent, and then set up situations where we can never get back to it, make sure our passports don't even leave out of the country we live in, then they got us, right? But I want to big up whoever had their hands in it. And I believe our prime minister got his hand in the pot too, because he's been making a lot of trips to Africa. And I'm with you. I'm with you, Prime Minister. I got your back. I trust you. I trust every move you make, because the one time I took time out to listen to our Prime Minister, he said he wanted to educate his people. And guess what? That's what he's doing. He's educating his people. Now, whether they receiving it or not, but I believe they receiving it. He educating his people, y'all. Educating his people, y'all. So I'm excited. So, yes, Ghana has landed in Barbados next door to us. Straight flight. So what you think about to happen next? Natural gonna be able to take a straight flight from Grenada and go straight into West Africa. Make that shit happen by February, and I'm there. Have a blissful day. Please like, subscribe, share if you haven't. Join us. Take the journey with us, y'all.